Everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new here or if you just don't remember me because it's been so long, my name is Isabel and I love all sorts of luxury things, specifically handbags and shoes. I have been away from YouTube for some time, but I'm back and I'm happy to be here and hope to connect with all of you again. Today we have an unboxing. Before we get into it, I hope that you will enjoy the video, and if you do, I hope that you subscribe. If you're already subscribed, I hope that you click that notification bell, and I promise I will be uploading more videos. This is a true unboxing. I ordered this from my SA in Seattle. Therefore, I have not seen it. Here is the card it came with and the receipt. Okay, I've put on my glasses because at this day and age, unfortunately, I do need them for up close. And I will say I've moved. It's a long story. We'll eventually catch up. I do have my room all arranged, but I don't have a table, so I'll have to just hold on to this. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's see if I can, okay, just get it off this way. Oh, she really tied a knot. Took a while, but here it is. Let's go ahead and open her up. Chanel tissue paper. I can never open this without ripping it. I probably shouldn't even attempt it, so let's just try and get it in here. This is just FYI, I saw this bag for the first time, I want to say it was in October or November at a local boutique. And I thought it was really adorable, but I didn't purchase it and then decided I wanted it. Texted my SA and she was like, oh, I think it's sold out. And then she found it. Any guesses? Okay, here is the dust bag. And she is beautifully wrapped. Let's get her out. If this gives you any inclination, look at that. That is so beautiful. Let me take this off. She is, of course, a seasonal bag. And here she is. Absolutely gorgeous. She is a deep lavender, I would call her, with gold hardware. She has the beautiful gold handle with the braided lavender leather. She is lambskin. And then, of course, she does have the chain, which I am not going to take off right now. Let's go ahead and open her up. She's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This is the inside. And this is what she looks like inside. So she is definitely larger than a walk, but I would say smaller than a mini. Here she is. I actually pulled out my walk so that we can go ahead and compare. So here they are, side by side. As you can see, the lavender one is a little bit taller and definitely a little bit wider than the walk. Again, side by side. A little bit taller, definitely wider. And yes. Okay, so I would say this is more similar to the size of a mini, but that we can compare on another video. All right. She also has this beautiful back pocket. It is not in the same style as the Mona Lisa pocket, as you can see. It is different. However, doesn't really matter to me. I love the back pocket, even if it's to put a receipt or a valet ticket, any little thing that you need, you can just go ahead and put it in there. And here is the tag. I'm so glad she sent it to me. This is from the 24P collection. And it is basically just called the flat bag with handle, light purple. Yeah. And I am very, very excited to have received her. I'm just trying to look her over, make sure there's nothing, but she seems to be in fantastic shape. Just wanted to also give you a close-up of the handle. It says Chanel, and it then has little CCs all over the handle with the intertwined leather. So here it is, the latest addition to my collection. I am very, very excited. I will certainly be doing a video letting you know what fits in her and how I style her, and I'm sure I'll put her on Instagram. Thanks a lot for watching, and let me know if you own this bag, what you think of the bag, and I will see you soon. Bye.